member secretary.
Okay.
Of the National Cathedral Board of Trustees.
Okay. Yeah, that's so say no pay waje so na obeboa ye ma yate nkomode ni bebre na no ase. It looks as if say for some time now, National Cathedral no ehun nkomode na ye quiet.
Say anamontu bi asanete edu da bia na say okọ na say etwa say odwene ba bia besan kọ ho a wotena se na osusu na wadwene ho na watoa wanamontu ne so. National Cathedral no ehun krabata bebre.
Okay.
Enti edu da bia ya na very very difficult say we on the ground now we adwuma na wo san ba bonten na wabeka ho asem. Na isan say dwumadi a eda soronko a ebinsi Ghana da na ebinsi Africa anywhere ase da ntino you always have to be on the ground.
Okay.
Na erade nche akoyemoa ama they say yedru baby the contractors are fully at work and our consultants are right on our necks and on the neck of the project. Yedru baby ahomegie kakra bam enti sa ahomegie ne pese ye fasa kwanya iso na ye de bo ehon dawro na ye ma oman ni nyina te se enye aban adwuma na emom eye menu mie no adwuma nti nyina ye nsom na ye moa na cathedral ni sie no enye a reality.
Okay. The last time I meet here, no, okay, say, Nyame Adoma next year by this time, which is 2022 by December. The full structure, no, you be who say is that the case?
That is the case. Okay. In fact, we are finishing. May assure say
yes,
it is the National Cathedral, which of course CNN has reported. Say, if we are able to build it, will be one of the most iconic buildings. Cathedrals in the world.
Okay.
Yes, see, dear friend, Bible Museum. Sa Bible Museum, no, America, NSC, the biggest one.
Okay.
When you call Lanche, your National Cathedral, no, ewo. You call NSA, se bibi stay wo wa, ade na yentipche, emeka your National Cathedral. That is the biggest National Bible Museum in the whole world. In terms of space and content,
okay.
You have to experience it.
Now we're
yes,
okay.
And young one was there, not thousands of people are buying tickets to go and see what is in there. And Kremofoko, atheists, a Christopher, everybody is going to that place for the purposes of tourism.
Okay.
Now the good news is that they will see Washington Museum no. What is Ghana are buying etimia making this bold step say yes cathedral yes museum no. Why you're not going to say more what the boy see Washington there no or the barber boying na yes.
Okay.
And as I speak to you, I am excited to let you know say yeah building BB a so saying Washington there no in terms of space and content.
Okay.
And Nyame Adom on the 6th of March 2024 a complete cathedral na yasa complete museum no. Our museum then become the biggest museum, Bible museum in the whole world in terms of content and space. Yes, I be a friend of Biblical Gardens.
Okay.
Biblical Gardens, a garden be a kumwa. What is sycamore tree? What a Lazarus was some dameboa. What is sycamore tree? Do you are afraid the who's no?
Yeah.
And so who be that? The one it be a friend is saying vine, but we have not. Sir, and you may oba nyina duaba ne nuane ne abaya ye ni nwuye nyina no ye garden bi wo Ghana ha sa garden ni mu no eho na sa ne nyina wo na ye ade a ye friend Wailing Wall in the garden ye ni Israel foodings a wo so a ye kobu omu Wailing Wall na kakra pipa bia free wiase kokobo hompa ye no ye bu kakra ne de abaye Wailing Wall bi e wo ha na ya san ye a generic of the tomb of Christ.
Okay.
Right within it. Yes.
I see.
And a combo of something a binsi we are said that Sabia Bako cathedral and unqua a tourism in itself. Now what says the Bible Museum? And I bring lot of tourists. Now what says the biblical gardens and nipa bemwa. Ye be bom ye nyina ye festika na ye ko Israel. Na ye ko bom pa o hono. After the be festika go Israel bio. Enti I will spend those money, and the good news is that we have a biblical restaurant.
I know so the end of the town.
Be all Bible more than be Israel. Be a PowerPoint here.
Baba, I don't know Ghana for babies as the Abanda Adam could you know. I don't know you been no God the Nivana restaurant.
Oh, see, I'm trying to be a while into the Fama. I said they are intimate Fama.
I saw Israel there intimate. Okay, but the project seems beautiful. Said they watch him the component. I can't home any idea. Now the point is that Ghana force at what cost are we doing this project? The last time we spoke, we were hearing figures about $100 million. In last year's budget, Aban Plidi say yemfa short code Emra. And no who Jumedia could say.
I am no correct. Now, me no me no be adwen say president de asundia eye cathedral ne man. Dem no de man no so hwe mpanyimfo pai won etena pono ho. Samonya board of trustees. A chairman Apostle Opoku nyina no di Pentecost anim ye vice Archbishop Palmer Bakal and I'm also mayor member na me science secretary. Your people like Professor Frimpong Manson, people like Dr. Joyce Ayi. We have people like Bishop Harold Mills. The materials we have set for such a project are very, very quality materials. There be presidency is cathedral. Now, cathedral, we want to build what we call a religious tourism. Eba change the dynamism of the whole tourism of Ghana. Okay. Enunti emra mfiemienu ni finance minister can say it will be one can say 100 million or say it will be more than $100 million. Esan say ase de bia da ho enunti no twa say ye dru ba bia ye wie de yin nyina in terms of quantities and everything before we can bring it. But I did say it's something that is going to go beyond 250 million. Now no bit here. None ya machine.
Yeah.
Say the sika we nyina ekosi asori nya asori dan ekosi. We are investing in something that will change the tourism industry in Ghana. And the idea no share the cost and the benefit effect. Okay. Originally, the purpose for which we are building this, COVID ban and saying, encourage abrochimemu na bofo krafo say ye na ye ba bewu. Yeah. Nanso nyankopon nam kwan bi so agi Africa ne Ghana. Ama Ghana be ye nhweso de ama wiade a. Se oman ya ye ginyamedi. Over 75 or 60% are Christians. Over 15% are Muslims. Except the majority are God affiliated people. It is a yes, yes, sit down, we say yes, you hope. Na ye na see doom am for say I bonnet. And the purpose for building the National Cathedral to say God thank you to the Lord. It's an center kwesi o Togo BNC or Ghana. This you Cote d'Ivoire BNC or Ghana. Or maybe a chair we see a via Rafa bibi mua a year a yaw. But somewhere somehow
okay, and many Reverend Victor Kusibuate and the Edin Como Secretary at the Board of Trustees for a year National Cathedral. Papa, you better so because the cost benefit analysis, Ghanaians raised a lot of concern at the time. Ghana force still nano ahoche wo mai muha, still nano uko kolebua best and neho, still nano uko kolebua oxygen and neho. There are more things I bet me a year enimuya no dance you build the National Cathedral. But so we'll share with TV so I'm patch Monsan Fasa video no and to subim and famame the current situation of the National Cathedral project and production producers a year you said a Juma air course on site Anna Yeyibi at the actual on Facebook and our Facebook on Kesben TV Live. It's what would you already on us who join here our Facebook Kesben TV now with the comment no about videos now we'll share to see on the screen no Juma Koso for the National Cathedral the construction the basement and the Juma 1 more year for the foundation and the Bibiano and ye day and Fonini Biato TV so at the Amano but Reverend my member will sub them na membisa say now with the short code that you know so far sika na monye from last year BC
you and I know say about short coder you cannot say menya teku ananse kapre because every single day obi te ye bodewuro odeba obi te odeba obi te na ye sha ase ye launch short code no na yenyan started the activity mobilization. You started mobilization 6 months kramai. Intimate Ghana for say obia star 979 hash star 979 hash. Ye per 1 million people ebe my 100 Ghana cedis every single month. And I saw another area you'll be say the Golden Wall of Fame and Crawford my 100,000 Ghana cedis a year and above. Obi owa was 3 years in our career.
I see.
And I saw one Crawford a gina between 100 Ghana cedis and a 90,000 cedis. Also benya silver wall. And a war obia obetuye sikani bibiara obenya presence. Ewo cathedral animu and yes I won't crop sorry so almost so they'll be identified within the pillars of the walls of the cathedral and to say the apesia and say obia ne kakapre ne teku ne dama ebeko adwuma mu no ebeko se adwuma mu no etwa se ne din eba ho to be able to say nipa 1 million so e ma 100 cedis na
yes
and also make provision okwa etise modexi enti se wura cathedral ho a ubo udia na eyi sika wo de boa yaba na edua bi apie na akere wo ba bi a wugina dua ne so se wo ka ho na sa dua no yesiye. And now back to the question of Ghana for say sebi ehia for any kwan.
Yes, Papa, you so in terms of real figures, you know, that board of trustees ain't me my figures, you know, for the last 6 months.
No. We for the National Cathedral itself,
yes,
and for what we want to do, and yeah. Let me bring some clarity here. Obi so say, oh, I sorry dying na yes. And yes, sanity. So we shall be ex-president His Excellency JJ Rawlings who ye de da no a na ye o ya na ye me ya senkensuo to ya
conference center
ono no na ye your friend is saying State House Abonten
yes
Kofi Annan ene ye no conference center
yes
ene ye His Excellency Emisata eso conference center, I think. Conference center for the 1,400.
Okay.
Now this particular cathedral, about 5,000 expandable to 20,000 people at every sitting. And the woman say, "Adi be a state funeral. Adi be a first state on the swearing in of president, state funerals, state gatherings. A didn't be brave." And I say your friend is a Kesben Media.
Yes.
So I say your program be you won't quite na bonting. Ubeti mi aba. No baba ye ne ho. There were a lot of rooms and then the capacity. There 1,500. There 800. There say
for all activities.
For all activities. It is not just a church building that we are building, as much as that it is a cathedral to the glory of God. As CNN Aka say, it will be one of the most iconic cathedrals in the world. You know, yes, sign afa kwen so amana ye income generational venture. Yes, a son from just being a cathedral into becoming a tourism for this nation.
Okay,
for the cathedral again, it's around $250 million. But I and non car a debebo anymore. A chain all the sports stadiums are you're spending hundreds of millions of dollars ADSC in Ghana. Income and non quite the brain. And you can imagine income Bible Museum income de beba any income your friend is saying
Restaurant.
Restaurant no any biblical gardens. We are in collaboration with even the aviation sector. We are in collaboration with the hospitality industry. Said the beya enko bu yen so yen twen ema nipa ni mu yen so ansan ya make provision for airlines and hotels and all that. Exactly.
But yes, still no Ghanaians believe us Aban no should have prioritized building hospitals. Agenda 111 Aban kra no entimi ensignue. The focus no is on National Cathedral. Monya a lot of backlash on this.
Me for say adwuma bia Aban be bia onya backlash. Say adwuma papa nko a me no mienu yenim say even free SHS obi de court say won tiase say ba be free SHS. But that is you and I know that is the best thing that ever happened to Ghana. Because development be a share a free classroom. That is when information starts into be a etiminya access eco school no free coin so Emma or minor the development no ekoye.
Okay.
Now so free SHS cry the court. Me no nim say the paper Ghana ya say we politicize it. It is so because here for a while. Or maybe anywhere man no see the cathedral or incorporating within the infrastructural and economic upliftment of the nation. Not a company. Now me no can say a few weeks ago I was in America.
Okay.
America.
Yes, but Ghana the bro. So at the time your budget we are expecting foreign aids. Na ye internal revenue generation form. The focus and the energy of government and then say what channel all this amount of money into building a cathedral.
And that is what I came to clarify. So it is not the government that is building it. The government is partnering us to build it.
Okay.
And until the nemete hejai me busy schedule nyina eba besre amount for say mumemwa. Hey, entina here for ni ha. Ena yetimi fly sika see the comma footballers. Tell me how many medals and how much football has brought to this nation. Na here for Ghana how. And yesi boxing arena. Na here for how. And yet I look at even the chief imam himself. So donated towards the National Cathedral. And here for and so Kremofo a part of Ghanaians. And it's a Ghana spend sika and you mark Hajj Abba. I won't take them to court. Why should this issue only come when we are building something that shall be monumental for the nation and shall be an income generational thing? Say we are unim say can be the debate me free here. Me no ka say by the next 2 or 3 days 3 weeks over site now there are almost 1,500 people working on the site.
Okay.
And listen to me. Listen to me. More than 95% of all the workers are Ghanaians.
I see. But they're not casual jobs. And you're permanent.
And you're casual jobs. There are engineers who are Ghanaians.
Okay.
There are project managers who are Ghanaians on the site.
For the duration of the project in the jobs are not sustained.
That is not true. That is when we are going to affect the nation more. So we share the cycle right from the person buying a ticket into Ghana, coming to sleep in a hotel, and I connect the cathedral to Pentecost Church, which is at the Eastern region, baby Jeffrey Sroba, yes, Anglican Church. And by the time I will be Ghana, Hano, now walk Ghana in now winning. That's a $5,000 trying to show Butomo, I know Janaha, and Sanwako. A religious tourism. And I'm a South Africa, Saudi Arabia. A religious tourism. And I'm a nation like Morocco. Omu mosque. I'm Morocco. I am Morocco. Just because of a mosque. Morocco, I am Morocco. I believe that this is a game changer. And it's all catch me say, and here for Hunti, and he say, yeah. I think that's very, very unfair for Christianity. Because ocean Christianity. I am a Ghana. There is no constituency in the world why be.
Okay. Na yamra way so papa na afi yenhwe ne yemfese because we brand so enie. Now we say enye aban and the dinisika AC cathedral.
Enya aban kwa it is a collaboration between us and aban.
And in that sense, the revenue generation aspect of every cathedral ni mu abano. Ebeko hwan foto mu consolidated fund mu na ebeko announce say ebe ni say.
Afi ne chance say di nyina. Na wo hwe enkrofo men with integrity at the board I promise every single person say obi any wa ni sika be wasted. Esan say apostle opoku nyina I will see say at the kakraka no wo central region no. He's a credible man. Yes, Archbishop Pamabakla. Pamabakla is a man. Archbishop Duncan Williams, Bishop Dekeod Mills, Professor Pukunyina. It is one. Say, see, na yes, no, ye nyanruho. As you drew, I want to assure Ghanaians say the generations will be well managed and will be well handled.
I say, and the assurance and the problem Ghana for Nina and this project in India, air cost much here. Hopefully by December next year, by this time, no, you be some what's
building no Edru baby. I was so I'll have a good news for you. Okay. On the 6th of March 2024, we are dedicating these three things on the 6th of March 2024. And until now, omuwa mehiano, ene metiefo nyina moa. Okay. So wontimi nya hwe kra 100 Ghana cedis a month. Meaning ade bia ye ma ye ho esei enye seed. Na de ye ma nyame no, eno na tena ho, e ma ye ne ye mama. Sikani bi o, sikafo bi o bantama ba bia na meti, omusisi fie bebre, ebi si 20 houses. We see a sorry down back okra menyame owu ye no ne ma tone den nyina ama sese omu nyina ye hiafo nenso senka or the betro ni dingu cathedral ne ho a enka in the next 200 years he will be remembered for whatever he did etimetefo obi o wa no ontimi nye star 979 hash no obetimi akọ ADB bank bia se me ba betu esika ma the cathedral obetimi akọ Ghana commercial bank bia se me ba betu esika ma cathedral obetimi akọ Fidelity bank cathedral. And once you walk in and ask of this, all these banks will give you access and then take your money and report it to us because obia odisika eura the building of the cathedral biarano ni dimbe oho na no Solomon say radie nipa boa me ma mesi sa sorry dan ma o so obia twa nani na so hwe dan ya na so bompa ya ye tie ne mpa ne hira no enti maudin MP cathedral ho said ye be obon paye nyame be kai se won so why moa
I say and Kusibuache Adam Menino Edin Kobor bringing us exactly 52 minutes after 6 a.m. This is Kesben 92.9 in the heart of the capital city and cry Anna Wuti and Ka if we will Kumase and then empate Mwa Wuti live or Kesben 93.3 so I will Kumase and then empate now quick one ye jauma wako na ziga so for Achemu yes Wamayati as ye cathedral baby as
yes, contributing.
I donated me that down.
Yes,
the very first time code in the buy, I started donating.
Yes,
Mr. Madaroma, and donating and rest this once. I once a month.
Every month. Okay.
100 Ghana is funny. Busumi biya obe for go KFC. Busumi biya obe for go what gives you comfort. And just commit 100 Ghana cedis to the Lord. Okay. Omaya enimu say eya omaya eya ejidi for mine. I believe say adie biara ye be ye me rade no obetu esoka. Sacrifice 100 Ghana cedis a month for this project. Okay. And God will be merciful and gracious to you.
Speaker,
a quick one question.
I support the National Cathedral, but you see Papa Kasano. Say Osha your representative of Orthodox churches. Your Pentecostal, that's Professor charismatic churches maybe Miakasame spiritual father, Archbishop Duncan Williams. And but you see, since I am contributing. BGDA say inspired others no so kebet me abo because me know who spiritual churches no spiritual churches in the sense of I mean low one say adakɔ yi adɔmo obi nim no ne saa yi mu ɔmo ma ka
ya no mami wɔn no mo yi ɔmo afi mu ana
the pacho ye nyi obi emfiri mu ye was strategy ye de we nyina na menu mienu be ya adwene se enye obia se o build a committee now manipa ne ye bebreba it doesn't become an effective committee.
Okay,
and definitely nyo obia na betimi attract trust. Send me ask me also be.
Baba, I say, Liga, brothers, and Tilon, we go. Baba, my
say, yeah, the bit me, I be say every single church.
Okay.
Yeah, commission say every single church or belong to any of these association. Yen you be en free.
Okay.
National chief man be bless ya je. Nansen you for bread and 1 million Ghana cedis ya je. Indian community, I am Buddhist community in Ghana. A few weeks ago, Ebemaya in Sikasi and Fan built the National Cathedral. So this is not an individual thing. It is a national monument and it is worth supporting it.
Okay. Papa, finally, Bronya and the Kwako Day, Ghana for no ATO across the country. With Christmas message, end of year message, na a footwork crowd of Ghana for, not your fancy.
Mr. Moa Ghana for Yesu, why a woman no. Yangu Yesu say, yemfa nyensa wie yanwo Yesu say yemfa mo ehubra. I pray say Yesu wu awo a yawo na yede ye nkaye Christmas time. Every one of us will be in a reflective mood. Obesha ase ahwehwe wo no wabusa ho say entime mama Yesu wo a ye wo no ni wu a ewu ye no mfaso abaso mesrɛ mo Mama recorded the lowest car accidents by people that are drunk.
Okay.
Mama lower the effect of divorce during Christmas seasons. If we can reflect and understand the benefits of Christ, I believe we shall have the best of Christmas holidays. And especially, let's try to spend these days with our families and let them come together and know the benefits of Christ.
Okay. Papa, make that say, na say Kesben won't cry. And think I need to come free. For Kesben if you day and cry. And a year, you know, work mass in the baby. Fire shot this emoji. Na you know, nako.
Yeah, that was it. Onyame Guama. Se me bompaya ma Kesbena. Na che se me bompaye ama minua Mr. Kese. Mr. Se adum ni nyansa de dum no a. Se ni swade ehunu bai e ma ne nye kwada. Ye sren kwatenten ne unhira ne wadum e de ma no. Na me bompaye so ama ne wakesi nyinara e wo kumase won kran. Baabi o wa akoye adwuma na de wo no kra no wa hwere. Baabi o wa akoye adwuma na wawu mpetuwo me bompaye se wo Kesben de jumaeni bie na obewu mpetuwo e wo Yesu dem mu wo Kesben de obi obeye adwuma no kra mu biara Awurade se na katua kra mfiri ha fa kwan bi so na fatua ne ka sanse kyerɛ ne se de obedi no kra e wo de enye ne de na ye obi dia ho no Awurade de ne dia so ebema no mesrɛ se ma bambonye kɛse na obiara oye adwuma wo Kesben mesrɛ onam ho ama yenhwɛ ne hu se esan hyire kita no nti wo ye Kesben adwumayefo na de twatwo kra ma Kesben and tremfa wiase afa na nyina. And when something is said here, let the world hear of it. I bless you and I bless everyone and I bless my listeners in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen. Baba, on behalf of my team, no, I don't pay your dance.
92.9, the mountain of favorite songs.